Australia flood toll continues to rise. In the past week alone, at least 10 people, including 5 children, lost their lives, taking the overall toll of fatalities to 20 since Queensland's worst flooding in decades began in early December. On Wednesday, January 12, 15 military aircraft were dispatched to find more than 90 people who were still missing. Most of the victims had disappeared near the city of Toowoomba when a 2-meter wall of water described as an inland tsunami suddenly swept through the area on Monday. As a precautionary measure, thousands of residents from Brisbane and Ipswich were evacuated in concern for the Brisbane River, surpassing record levels seen during previously fatal 1974 floods.
Meanwhile, emergency personnel worked to bring medicines and other supplies to areas that, despite remaining dry, have been isolated by surrounding waters for more than 2 weeks. The flooding, which is said to be triggered by the strongest La Niña effect in recorded history, has thus far impacted more than 3/4 of Queensland state, as well as parts of New South Wales, where nearly 3,000 residents have been ordered to evacuate thus far.
Upon first receiving reports of the worsening conditions in early December, Supreme Master Ching Hai had expressed her deep love and prayers, donating 10,000 Australian dollars in emergency aid as our nearby association members immediately began relief efforts in accordance with her instructions. Supreme Master Ching Hai had also offered 10,000 Australian dollars to assist the Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals in rescuing stranded animal companions.
Our gratefulness for the endeavours of all Australian officials and personnel, as well as for Supreme Master Ching Hai's loving care of the flood-afflicted. May heaven protect the Australian people during these trying times as we pray for the lessening of such calamities through our gentler and more eco-conscious ways.